Hello my loves and welcome back to Ivanafacepaint. For this week's video, I decided to turn myself into Link from the Zelda video games. Specifically, the Ocarina of Time. That's my all-time favorite video game ever. There's always Zelda and then Tomb Raider. Those are my top two favorites. And at some point, I'm going to recreate Lara Croft, but I haven't decided which one I want to do. So you can look forward to that sometime in the future. So we're gonna attempt to become Link. I've been putting this one off just because I've been terrified to do it. I don't know why. It just seems like it'll be pretty challenging. So to get started, I'm gonna take my lip ring out and then cover my eyebrows. I actually went ahead and put some primer on before we even get started with everything else, just in case. So let's get rid of our eyebrows.
As always, to cover our eyebrows, we take our washable glue stick, rub it in really well, and then brush our eyebrows out, let it dry, put some powder on, and bam! You might have to do a few layers though, like I do.
Okay, now that I've got my eyebrows covered, I'm going to make my ears. I think I'm gonna use that modeling clay that I used in the Sonic video for my ears.
And in this moment, I had already made a huge mistake. I just didn't know it yet. So since I thought I was making my ears for this, I figured that to hold them on, it would be best to take toilet paper and latex and put it on the ends of my ears. So just watch me struggle with that for a little bit.
I've molded me like a base for the ears for now. I'll do a little bit more detail on them later. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put my white paint on my body just to get that over with, using that cream-based clown white paint.
Not thinking about it, I brought the paint down too low onto my shoulders, but, you know, it's whatever.
Okay, now that I've got the paint on, I'm gonna mold my ears a little bit better and start attaching them.
No, I'm actually not gonna do that.
I decided I'm gonna wait and do the ears last. I actually think I'm gonna go ahead and paint on my clothes before I do anything else. I'm gonna outline everything just using an eyeliner pencil. Okay, now that I've got my outline on, I'm going to, even though it's already basically white there, I'm gonna use my water-based white paint to actually paint in the white part of the shirt, and then we'll do the green.
I literally just went over the outline that I drew on, just because I don't even know why I tried to outline the inside of that turtleneck thing. I guess not a turtleneck, but just ignore me.
Now we're gonna take our black paint and start doing some shading. Okay, now that I've got the paint part done, first we're gonna get to kind of more of his skin tone.
So here I just took the lightest powder that I had and started applying that over top of the white.
Okay, so I got a little bit of light powder on. When I say a little, I mean a lot. It looks like he has a little bit of a yellow tone to his skin, so I'm gonna have to use a touch of yellow paint and start mixing that into my skin. know I look pretty scary right now, but I'm hoping I can even this out to look like skin, but still look like Link.
So I just started applying more light powder over top of the yellow paint.
Now I'm gonna start adding a little bit of pink to the skin. Just gonna keep working with it till it gets to where I want it to be.
And after the pink, I just add some more light powder to my skin.
All right, I think we're gonna work with the skin tone. Next, we're gonna draw on his eyebrows. We're gonna mix brown and yellow to get closer to his eyebrow color.
And Link kind of has a very big arch in his eyebrows, like he just kind of always looks mad, so that's how I drew him on.
Okay, I got my eyebrows on. So far, this is looking pretty goofy. Now I'm just gonna start contouring using some brown eyeshadow. Hopefully that works.
This is when I got too bold. This is where I made a huge mistake. A really huge mistake. I kind of thought that I could pull off the whole illusion thing with my jaw by shaping my jaw more like Link's and just completely getting rid of the rest of it and making the bottom of my chin look like it goes into my neck. But instead it ends up looking like I have either 4 chins or a goatee or beard or something. It just looks really creepy. I also brought the black paint in too far, so then I had to start erasing it and trying to make space so that I could attempt to paint a neck in there. It just all went downhill when I started doing that. I'm so mad that I did that, but you know, it's here for you guys to enjoy watching. You can enjoy watching me struggle, because that's what I did, is struggle for a while. It took like all freaking night.
Okay, now we're gonna continue. Gosh, I hope this comes together by the time I'm done. At the moment, it looks really weird. Alright, so using a darker brown eyeshadow, I'm gonna start shading the clothes. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish up a little bit of shading on my face around my eyes. He almost looks like he has brown eyeliner on, so yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of that. Now I'm ready to put my ears on, put my wig and my hat on, and I'm gonna put in some contacts, and then we're just gonna see what it looks like. My gosh. Well, yeah, I'm Link. Kind of. I don't know, I just could not get the neck thing right. I probably will have to attempt this one another time. Just won't do the weird face thing. And this is why I've been putting this video off. I don't know. It's kind of creepy looking. It's weird because I don't look like myself, but I don't look like Link really that much either. My boyfriend's gonna come home to this. I don't even know, like, it's creepy. Does this not creep you out? It's really weird. Oh, and I didn't paint my arms, so they're just randomly like 10 shades darker than my face. Yeah. God. Please fire me, like, I'm gonna take a selfie. I don't know what I should have done. On a selfie, it just looks like I have like 3 chins. Let me just, if I could just, let me show you all this. Can you see that? Look at that. What is that? Why did I do that? Why did you all let me do this? God. Oh, and by the way, I didn't even use the ears that I spent like 10 minutes making before this. I just opted for the ears that came with this wig. I did make the hat though. I did make the hat in like 2 seconds today. Anyway, if you enjoyed this really weird version of Link that I did, please make sure you subscribe. As usual, if you have any questions, concerns, or requests, please let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you next week. Yeah! Ba da 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 da.